We do have pizza.
Don't do it how I did, because there's gas poured all over the place because this hose wasn't clamped shut, but now I got it clamped shut. And then I put a little piece of tape around these two things, the little wire and then the big one, so I know which things to connect. And then the carburetor is gonna hang right off here, somewhere like that. The pull string might get in the way, or the carburetor might get in the way of the pull start. Oh, no, this thing, both things come out. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, I just ripped this old gasket, which I might have needed that. And now I need these. And I can just unscrew these. Yep. Like that. Just comes off like that. That's all the old stuff, but I'm getting new stuff in 4 days. All this stuff is loose anyways. All of it was like this. These things are like, you can just pull them off with your fingers after a few turns with the pliers. Okay. I'm gonna need some different pliers. Actually, I'm just gonna use these ones. These are way easier to use. There, that might have gotten it, yep. Just like that. This is gonna be sitting just like this for 4 days. Just letting all the nasty crap in there. Probably gonna wreck the engine, but whatever. So that right there. These little things is for that's for the release of the fuel, I'm pretty sure. See what's in there. I think that's a piston right there. And then I'm pretty sure the carburetor kit came with a new spark plug. So I'm gonna take the old spark plug out real fast. If I can. Oh my god, this is dumb. Can't do that. I need a fucking wrench. it's a frickin' 13, 16. That was not even on there that tight. That was not on there that tight at all. Yeah, I think I need a new spark plug. This one's all like rusted on the side of it. Yeah, like that's disgusting. It should not be like dirty like that. I will put this back on. Hold on a minute. This back on. And then I no. There's no compression. I'm gonna just keep the spark plug right over here in this pile of stuff. And then the fuel is gonna keep leaking if I take that off. I need to figure out a way to how to keep it from leaking. So I have to have that things on there. So there's this thing. Cover it with tape. This thing is the air in there. Okay. I'm not really sure how to put this carburetor on because there's no instructions, which is dumb. And there's so many of these like long tubes. And I'm pretty sure there's one missing that did not come. And looks like they're supposed to be, but nope. Where is it? And then, hold on. The bolts are here. So I have the bolts like that. And then the gasket's right there. It's all connected. And then I'm gonna throw it onto there. But all these tubes, I think I had to take out the gas tank to get this old gas tube off so I can connect the new one. But I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do or not, because I don't know how to fucking do this. I'm gonna do it where I pull this thing off, and then I put it on, hold on a minute. Put that thing right there so it's not in the way. Then I put it on from right here. Which is gonna be hard to do. Actually, hold on. Nope. I'm gonna put it like that, and then I'm gonna drill it on. And then grab that screwdriver. I don't know what else to do now besides sit here and stare at this thing with the thing right there. I just need to re-put that on. And it just looks like that sticks off a little bit, but it's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, but you can still pull the string or the pull cable thing. And now I just need to figure out what tubes are supposed to connect to where, because I don't know anything about this. So there's supposed to be air going to okay, where does the fuel go to? Here, hold on a minute. I took the old gas tube and I connected to that little filter looking thing. Now it looks like it's dripping. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be doing that, but whatever. I just need to trim it so it's not so long so I can use it for the air to the overhead valve thing. And I'm gonna try not to spill any gas anywhere, but this clamp needs to go closer to there, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's kind of hard to hold the phone to record and do that. I do not know what I'm doing at all with these. This thing I'm just shoving in there. This thing's just hanging. This I cut so it goes to there, but I don't even know if the fuel is supposed to go in there. So I don't even know if the fuel is supposed to be going out of this thing. Like, what the heck? What is that for? Like a primer or something? It's loose. Look how loose that, oh my God. Look how loose that is. What is this thing? A primer. Yeah, it's a primer. Pretty sure. But there's nothing inside the freaking gas tank. I need to watch a video of how to do this. Okay, so I watched a video of how to do this, like the throttle cable thing. You gotta take all this old stuff off and just take the cable and you put it in here and you gotta lock it with this thing. I'll pull this stuff off real quick. Let me show you. One sec. Yeah, don't do that. And then take this bolt out. Oh, dang it. Take the spring out. And then you gotta take this thing, pull that off. And then, so this is like supposed to be like a bike brake line. So I gotta take all this stuff off. That wasn't even like on there that good. I gotta loosen this piece. So get the cable out. Where did that piece go? I need those still just in case if this thing doesn't work. Keep all your old stuff from the carburetor just in case if you need anything. That's like the old pieces, which you probably will if this doesn't work. Just take that piece off and you gotta see the next part. You gotta disconnect all the old throttle cable and you're gonna put it through there, the white thing. Since this go-kart doesn't have one of those like bicycle brake line pins right there. You gotta like pinch it so where it is like a ball at the end, so it doesn't slip out when you put it back into the cylinder thingy. I had so many problems with this thing. The tubes, I thought we needed a fuel pump, but nope, you don't. And I just took the cover off so I could use the drill like I used to start it, and it was starting, but there was so much like black smoke. That's what this little thing right here is. That little screw that's sticking out right there. You gotta tighten it to make it so the fuel's not as like rich. And when you like tighten it, it makes it so there's not enough like that much black smokes, so it doesn't smell like crap. I just need a gas because I don't have the tank's empty. The red tank's empty, and that's all I need now to start it because I've gotten everything hooked up properly. I used a straw for the thing and a fuel pump just in case that floods backwards into here. So it goes like this to the fuel pump, around that, and then down into there, which goes into. This is day 2 of doing this thing and spending a lot of time. So I use a little nut piece to clamp the throttle cable right there, but it didn't work. And then I noticed earlier that the little nut piece was gone. Where did it go? It went in there. So I gotta disconnect all of this stuff. Then I have to take like a magnet and get it out of there. It's right down that little black hole, right there at the tip of my finger. And something's leaking gas. Oh shit. Something is leaking gas. What was just leaking? I don't even know what was just leaking. I don't really know what was just leaking. Come on, dang it. Yeah, so I need to grab a magnet stick or something long to grab it out of there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed the magnet stick and I grabbed zip ties. So I can zip tie that to this, and then this pink tube to this white straw thing, so it's not looking like garbage with the green tape. So let's see this. There's a little nut thingy inside all of this. Hold on. It's right in there, so I'm gonna use the magnet stick to grab it. If it'll fit. I got it. That's right. That would have destroyed the engine. This would have destroyed the engine if I didn't get it out. Okay, yeah, I'm never gonna do that again. Now I just need to put all these things back on. All these tubes and shit. 3, 2, 1, and the tubes are back on. So now that the tube thing's back on, 3, 2, 1. This thing's back on, and then 3, 2, 1, the green tape's off. Now that all the green tape's off all these tubes, I can put the zip ties on. So I'm gonna put the zip tie on this one first. So, these are like jumbo zip ties. That one's on. This zip tie's on right there. And now it's tight. And then I'm just gonna put the zip tie right here. And then that's all good for the zip ties. Now that's good for the zip ties because I don't want any like tubes wiggling around, getting snagged down here into the brake and they're ripped off. Like this throttle line goes down, it's right next to the brake, and it could get snagged and ripped off. Here, I'll put one right here so it doesn't get snagged from there. And it's still looser here, which is good for this top part so it doesn't rip out, which it's probably gonna. I'm gonna guess this cable is gonna fall out the first time I test it in a little bit because it's all pulling. Snip that one, snip this one, hold on. And then snip this one. Where'd the zip tie thing go? That piece is garbage. And this bag's garbage. And then I did a long time ago put this trailer hitch on so we can put the yellow bike trailer onto it. I've done it before. You can carry stuff around in the trailer and when we're driving around. Now it's time for the test with a new carburetor. So I connected this old air filter so the valve cover can be vented. And this all works. I tested it yesterday, but I didn't record that because I forgot to. And all the fuel lines are pumping fuel and stuff, so I'm just gonna test it now. Well, first yesterday, it was on, I pulled this, just lifted it up a tiny bit, it drove away, it almost hit the neighbor's fence. So that's not gonna happen again. Ah, fuck this. It's like, I need a... It's running good. Seems like it's all working. It has so much more power. Something's wrong. Something is wrong. I don't know what's wrong, but something is wrong. Oh, hold on. That's why. Oh, dang it. It's because that thing was plugged. Damn it. Hold on a second. I need to tune something. This needs to be. This should be loosened. I think. I'm not really sure because it was working all good. Now it's like not. Well, it's in a private driveway, I bet. I'm gonna do it over here so just in case it drives away, it'll drive into the garbage cans. Okay, now hold on a second. Yeah, that's in a driveway. Hold on a second. Oh my God, this thing has so much power. Three, two, one. Oh my God, this thing is nuts. Oh my God, this thing is nuts. Oh my God, I'm like so, oh. Holy poop. Holy shit. Bro, it fucking died. Some guy just drove by me and said I need a Trump flag. That was actually funny. I need to start this thing back up. Well, that guy's funny as hell. Holy shit. Hold on. This thing is so fucking fast now. There's so much more power because of this thing. It doesn't flood. It's like the best shit I've ever bought. It's like, so this is like the stock engine, which is 196 cc's, and then I throw this thing on it, and it's like a fucking race car now. Oh shit, no, oh fuck. Oh no, the bolt fell off. Oh shit, oh no. Fuck. Oh shit, both fucking, oh, both bolts fell off. God damn it. The fuel mixture bolt and the fucking plug up here. God damn it. God damn it. Oh, that's not good. Where did those fucking bolts go? Yeah, that's so fucking bad now. God damn it. Ugh, that's not good. Those should not have fallen off. I'm gonna start it up again and see if it fucking drives away. Yeah, whatever. So I'll record once I'm driving. It's kind of hard to do that because I don't want to crash and die. So I'm gonna see if my GoPro can. No, I already checked earlier. Can't mount it anywhere because I don't have any mounts. So I'll record once I'm driving again. So I've been hearing this weird sound with the new carburetor on the go-kart. It's like it's popping, and I'm not sure what it is. I think it's like flames or something. But I'm gonna turn it on and check up on the stand. I'm gonna full throttle it, and then see if there's like fire coming out of the back. I think there might be. So I'm gonna put the stand under there, and then I'll do the test. So now that the stand is under, just need to turn it on and rev it. Oh yeah, stop the video so I can turn it on real quick. So 3, 2, 1. That is so damn loud. Oh, I need to turn it on again because it just died. Oh, it keeps dying. I don't think it's taking in fuel. Hold on. And suck. I need to choke it. I'm not sure. It's making a sound, but there's no flames shooting out. It might just be popping. Yeah, I don't really know how to keep it. Keep the engine to stay on. It just turns off after I'm done. It's done by running. So if anybody knows how to keep it on, then just like say in the comments that what you need to do, and then I'll use their advice. Oh, my arm hurts from pulling this damn string all the time. Oh, I'm gonna do that one more time. know how to keep it staying on. It's hard to. I'm gonna go drive it again. See if I can heat it up to keep it staying on. But some of these car alarms are still going off. Holy. go-kart died down here. I'll never get back. What was that? It's staying on. That bitch looking at. That fucker right there. So I know that sometimes it stays on and then sometimes it doesn't. Okay, well, nothing broke, which is good. So, I think it works better with this thing missing and that thing missing. I don't know why those things are missing though. Something's wrong. They're gone. Those little pin things are gone forever. Wait a second. Nope, that's not it. That's some other thing that I don't need. And I'm not burning that much gas either. It's still like this. Actually, I need to fill up. I'm gonna fill up real quick. So let it fill up now. Look at that. Oh. That's pretty full. That's like 3/4 really full.